Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So if you've been looking for some type of extra lighting out in your yard, you don't want to run wires, and looking for a solar option, you may have seen the unboxing for the Uponun Street Light. So it's a solar street light, so it's a pretty big lamp, and you could get a metal pole, like a conduit pipe, put it outside, hook it to that. You could also attach it to the house. Now, I didn't have a real conduit, so actually I put it, you can kind of see it, put it right behind me on the trampoline that we have outside. So I did that. I set it up. It was really easy to do. There's a bunch of different modes from different intensities, the timers, things like that. It also comes with a remote. Let me just show you that. So you got that. So if you want to set it for how many hours it's on, things like that, you can do that too. As soon as it detects dark, and then it will stay on that amount of time. And then, like I said, you have different intensities. To install it, it was actually really easy. You can see it comes with all the hardware that you need. So if you do have a pole, you can easily just attach it right to that. And it has a motion sensor on it there as well. And you can see all the little LEDs. And then on top is that big solar panel that's gonna get it all charged up for when it does get dark out. So you don't have to run any wires. Now, like I said, this is probably about an inch pole that I attached it to. Really easy to do, and it has a 3.7 volt lithium ion battery, so it should last a good amount of time. It is weather rated, so you don't got to worry about taking it down, but this should provide a good amount of light, and I will show you later when it actually gets a little darker to give you an idea of what it looks like and how it performs. All right, so it's pretty dark out here. I'm gonna go ahead, use remote, just turn this on, get an idea of how much it's gonna illuminate there. I know it's kind of hard to see, but it's projecting the light out probably 10 feet. Really great right below it. Works obviously just like a street light. And see if you can see this here. So you can see the different options on the remote. And if I wanted to, I can reduce the light a little bit less, depending on what you need it to do. Full light on off. You got 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, and a few other options there too, as well as auto. So that is working, no wires, but there you go. You have an idea of what this looks like, the on for you street light. And then of course you have the motion sensor as well. So if I had it off or on auto, then it would pick up the motion sensitivity. So definitely a pretty easy way to set up an outdoor light without having to run wires. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything I do, and I will see you guys in the next video.